Did you know that professional drones are now so advanced they can rival cameras? Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone who wants to capture breathtaking aerial footage, you need the right drone. But with so many options out there, which one truly stands out? Today, we're ranking the top 5 professional video drones based on performance, features, and value. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the number 1 pick. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. DJI RC Small but mighty, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo is a dream for beginners and pros alike. Weighing just 249 g, it's ultra-portable and doesn't require registration in many regions. Its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning 12MP photos and 4K video at 30 FPS, making it great for high-quality footage. The f/1.7 aperture improves low-light performance, and its vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media content. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, extending flight time up to 114 minutes, a huge advantage. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so piloting in tricky environments requires caution. When compared to the Autel Evo Nano Plus, which offers 50MP stills and 3 ways obstacle avoidance, the Mini 3 falls short in safety features but makes up for it with a user-friendly interface, long battery life, and DJI's robust ecosystem. If you need an affordable, travel-friendly drone that delivers high-quality results, this is an excellent choice. But if safety is a top priority, you might want to consider the Mini 3 Pro or Autel Evo Nano Plus instead. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine with DJI. If you're serious about cinematic aerial footage, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine is a powerhouse. Its triple camera system, including a 20MP 4/3 Hasselblad camera, a 70mm 3x zoom, and a 166mm 7x telephoto lens, provides incredible versatility. You get 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and support for Apple ProRes with a built-in 1TB SSD for seamless professional workflow. The DJI RC Pro controller features a high brightness screen, making outdoor flying effortless. When compared to the Autel Evo 2 Pro V3, which offers 6K video but lacks DJI's refined interface and triple camera flexibility, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine remains the superior choice for professionals. However, the high price and large file sizes may not suit casual users. If you need top-tier cinematography tools, this is the best drone for you. But if you're on a budget, the Mavic 3 Classic is a more affordable alternative. Number 3. Ameta drones with camera for adults, 4K UHD. For those who want a solid budget-friendly option, the Ameta S20 Lite is a great choice. Weighing under 249 g, it's lightweight and easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. The 4K UHD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens captures decent aerial shots, while the brushless motors ensure smooth and stable flights. With 2 batteries providing up to 36 minutes of flight time, you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. However, some users report calibration issues and the camera quality falls short of professional standards. Compared to the Potensic Atom SE, which offers longer flight time and better image stabilization, the Ameta S20 Lite is a more affordable entry-level choice but lacks advanced features. If you're new to drones and want a cheap, easy-to-fly option, this could be for you, but for higher quality footage, the DJI Mini 3 series is a better investment. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI, a step up from the Mini 3, the DJI Mini 3 Pro takes everything great about its predecessor and boosts it to the next level. With a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 48MP photos, and 4K video at 60 FPS, the image quality is noticeably superior. Unlike the Mini 3, it has tri-directional obstacle sensing for safer flights and advanced pilot assistance systems, APS-4, for smoother navigation. The DJI RC controller eliminates the need for a smartphone, making setup quicker and more reliable. Flight time is 34 minutes but extends to 47 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. When compared to the Autel Evo Nano Plus, which has similar specs but shorter battery life and lacks vertical shooting, the Mini 3 Pro clearly wins for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. However, its higher price and lack of side sensors are drawbacks to consider. Still, if you want an ultra-portable drone with high-end features, this is one of the best options available. Number 1. Blind F7 GPS drone with camera for adults, 4K night vision. Topping our list is the Bwine F7 GPS drone, a feature-packed yet affordable choice that balances quality, performance, and ease of use. It comes with a 4K camera with night vision, a 3-axe gimbal for smooth video, and GPS-assisted flight. The 75-minute flight time across 3 batteries beats most competitors, and its 2-mile transmission range ensures stable connectivity. Features like auto-return, follow-me mode, and fly round make it a fantastic pick for beginners and experienced pilots. Compared to the Holy Stone HS700E, which has less flight time and no 3-axe gimbal, the Bwine F7 is the better choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly drone with professional features. However, the 4K video is limited to 15 FPS, which affects smoothness, and it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors. Still, considering its price, flight time, and stability, this is the best overall drone for most users looking for a balance of affordability and performance. And there you have it, the best professional drones ranked from solid budget picks to high-end powerhouses. If you want a Hollywood-level experience, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine is the way to go, but for most users, the Bwine F7 GPS drone takes the crown with its incredible flight time, GPS features, and affordability. What's your favorite drone from this list? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, all the links are in the description if you want to check out these drones for yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.